Hey Stamp friends, welcome to the Joyous Stamping with Rachel. I'm Rachael Coon and today we are showing you an extra card using new products from the new mini catalog. Go to hold on a flip and we'll get started. Okay, hopefully you guys can see everything just fine. Let me just move over a little bit. Welcome, welcome. Feel free to comment. I'd love to see what you have to say and how your day's been going. Tell me all about it. So today's card we're making is a bonus card. This was my Miss Monday card and we carried it over. It's also my team card for the month. And I thought it'd be fun just to show you how to make it and how easy it is and how cute the Penguin Place stamp set is. So let me show you what we'll be using, or what I did use. So I've stamped it's the I Like You Lotto and It's Like a Little Except a Lot, which are two super cute sayings. And I actually did not stamp the penguin for this one. In fact, I've used the DSP that's part of Sale-a-bration. Let me go ahead and get all my pieces out and I'll show you the card. So we have this cute little penguin with the circles and the ribbon right here. And then when we open it, you see that that stays down and it's just a smaller inside. And you have to love that saying. It's like a little except a lot. Super, super cute. And this one could be great for anything. I know we're looking at this, we're thinking holidays and Christmas because it has antlers and trees and everything. But there's more to this stamp set than just Christmas. There's even a happy birthday. All right, let me get these pieces out and we'll show you how to assemble this card. And you'll see that it's fairly easy. To make this book style, I call it like a spine because it looks like it has a book spine right here. You just add one extra score line. So we have the 5.5 right here and then 4.5 right there. Let's go ahead and grab our bone folder and get this nice and folded. Oh, hey Wanda, she says she loves the penguin set. Yes, he's so cute. So cute. So there's our card base. And then I've already went ahead and I've stamped the inside. It's like a little except a lot using the Misty Moonlight. And let's go ahead and attach that right now. If you want all the measurements for this one, you can find it over on my blog. I'll have the link to that in the comments below after this live. There you go. Next, let's go ahead and add our DSP. And I've cut this by 4.5 by 4 inches, I believe. And we're just going to put a little bit of liquid glue on here. This is the Playmates Penguin DSP that is part of the Sale-a-bration and is an item that you can get for free when you order the next 2 months or while supplies last, depending on how popular it becomes. It is really great paper and it coordinates so well with this cute penguin. Okay, now we're just adding this little strip. That's a 3/4 by 4 piece of DSP. And then we have our cute little penguin, some circles I've die cut out in the fresh fuchsia and the Misty Moonlight. And then I've also stamped our saying on the Just Jade with the Misty Moonlight. So I have this beautiful ribbon. It's hard to see on video, but it has these great little sparkles to it. And this ribbon's called, I always say it wrong, so I'll have you guys look at it too, Glittered Organy Ribbon. Oh, I had it too close. There we go. And it is just beautiful, beautiful, sparkly, kind of magical almost ribbon. The way we want to attach that today is to go ahead and use your tear tape. So I'm going to grab off 2 pieces. And we're going to open it up with where that binding is. And we're going to lay our piece of ribbon over it. I'm going to attach just one side of it first with that tear tape, and then we'll grab the other side and adjust. Just make sure you have enough on both ends and try to go center as much as you can. Okay. Now we have that other piece of tear tape in my hand. We're going to flip this over and straighten it out. Bend it back and grab that tear tape on. There we go. All right. Go ahead and remove the backing of the tear tape. And we want this to stick down really well. So if you don't want to worry about dry time, grab your adhesive rollers or double-sided adhesives. I have the Sil or the Sil Plus would work great. Advance it just a little bit. So I've made, let's see, how many of these cards? I've made almost 9 of them. This will be my 9th one today for my team, who all earned them for having a great selling month of July. Okay. So there we go. It's now closed, and we've created that awesome opening just by that one score line. So that's pretty awesome. Then we just have a piece of ribbon. It measures probably about 4 inches. Yep, 4 inches. And we're just going to take it and make a knot. Slip it underneath the ribbon and tie it just one knot and pull it tight. Like that. Grab your paper snips to trim it down. And try to angle those pieces of ribbon to make it look more bow-like. There we go. All right. Next, we need to get our cute little penguin ready. So this is our DSP penguin. Let me show you him. He is so cute. And the paper that he came on, let me see if I have a good example of it. One second. I had the paper out earlier, so let's find this matching one. All right, here on the top. So I fussy cut him out, and the reason why I did that is because I didn't want to ruin all the cute little creatures beside him. And then also to put your punch in here, you'd have to go upside down like this, and it can't go as far as you needed. So you needed to cut it out at least some way. So I chose to just cut out little pieces, kind of like random shapes like this. But I didn't want to worry about keep on fussy cutting it. And so I grabbed my punch and just a little strip of basic white or whatever you have. This honestly was just a scrap, a leftover piece from something I've stamped earlier. So we're going to take this little guy, his little handle, a punch handle, and we're going to stick him into our punch here. Slide him in. And that way we have complete control. I can move him around wherever I want, and he will be perfect in there. If I were to try to put him in there without his little handle, I would have lost him and had to go fishing for him every single time. So then we just grab our punch him out, and you can either remove that back or keep it on there. Totally up to you. And you can, looks like this when we're done. This cute little hole spot from where we punched him out. Super easy, and just makes it a nice little handle. All right, so attach our circles. Just a little bit of liquid glue. And we're going to go one down below. Kind of just angle it. Grab some dimensionals for the back of our penguin. And we'll need some dimensionals for the back of our cute little I Like You a Lottle. Let's grab some mini ones. And it looks like I double stamped this one, so that's kind of funny. I must have decided that I liked better than the other. Let's see which one. I think they both look fine. We'll just put some dimensionals on the back of that one. And this is about a 2" by 1/2 inch for this Just Jade. Okay. Let's go ahead and put on our cute penguin, just a little bit below our blue circle and our cute little label. Awesome. Lastly, you just want to do a little bit of embellishing. I have my holiday rhinestones that I like to use and that they match really well. And we'll just put 2 on the right side and 1 down here on next to the penguin. And there we go. Super easy, cute card using all of that DSP and creating that fun fold. All right, you guys, I hope you've had fun learning how to make this penguin place stamp, this card, and give it a try. Be sure to order today as the first day of celebration, and you'll get an extra gift from me. Happy stamping, everyone. Goodbye.